Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this site can't be reached problem. So if you are facing the same issue when you open any website and you will see this same error, this site can't be reached. So what does mean? Maybe there is DNS problem or maybe there are some other errors. So what's the solution of this? I will show you in this video. So now what you have to do is just open the Google Chrome application and tap on these three dots, and now go to this settings, tap on settings, and then you have to scroll down and you will see this option clear browsing data. So you just have to tap on this clear browsing data. I will show you some advanced things. So you can see there are two options, basic and advanced. So we have to go for advanced, and then you just have to make sure that just check all these things, all these history, and then clear your browsing data. And now the secondary thing is just come for this security, and now you will see there are lot of options. So you will see this enhanced protection and standard protection. So you just have to make sure that enhanced protection is selected. If there is standard protection selected, just make sure to select this enhanced protection. After doing all these things, just go to your new tab, and now when you open any website, your problem will be solved. You won't be seeing any error again. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.